welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are making cake. And here are all the ingredients for a sponge cake. Milk, whole milk, sugar, flour, baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, 4 eggs, two sticks of butter, and boom. Now, alright, let's get right into it. Alright, don't forget to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Alright, let's get right into it. First, you can add the butter. See? Careful, use 2 hands. Whoa. See? Be careful, because you might get some on your finger. Alright, now I'm going to clean off my hands. Oops, I didn't tell you that. Oh, it's not there because of the butter. And now I'm going to add the sugar and mix for medium speed. Now that our 2 ingredients are ready, now it's time to mix them for 3 minutes. Now that we've mixed our butter and sugar, we are gonna mix it one at a time. Now that we've mixed our eggs, we're gonna add milk, whole milk. See? Just like that. And now that we've mixed our wet ingredients, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. Now that I've added my baking soda and salt, we're gonna go ahead and mix. All right, what's next? Now we're gonna add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. Now, as you can see, I am folding the mixture. Now that our mixture is ready, we're going to put it on the pan that has a little bit of flour on it. Now that our cake dough is ready, we're going to pop it in the oven to 30 to 35 minutes. Now that our cake is baking, we're going to make our frosting. All you will need is 3 ingredients. Powdered sugar, unsweetened butter, vanilla extract. And now that I put my butter in the bowl, we're gonna add our powdered sugar. Now I'm gonna add my vanilla. Now that our cake is done baking, we're gonna put the frosting on top and make sure to get help with the cutting. You're gonna add your icing like this. Now that we just added our icing, we're gonna add our jam, which I'm doing right now. This is how you make your Victoria sponge cake. If you like my videos, you can subscribe or watch all my videos. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Just come back for more videos.